So today, I'm going to talk about the parts of speech. So yeah, parts of speech is nothing but is a class of word based on the word's function. So the way it works in the sentence. So there are some of the parts of speech are noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So today I am specifically talk about the noun. Nouns refer to a person, animals, places, things, ideas, or events. So noun encompass most of the words of the language. So we can see one by one. So first one is a person. So person is it will represent as a name of the person. So for example, Max, Julie, Catherine, Michael. And the next one is animals. So animal also same. So it is also representing as a animal name. For example, dog, cat, cow, kangaroo. Next one is a place. So your place, your name of the place. So example, London, Australia, Canada, Mumbai. And the next one is things. Your name of a thing for like bat, ball, chair, door, house, computer. Next one is idea. So mostly it will represent a devotion, happiness, excitement, sorrow, like kind of things. So there are different types of noun. First one is proper noun and common noun, abstract noun, countable noun, non-countable noun, and material noun, collective noun, and finally compound noun. So first one is proper noun. So what is proper noun? A proper noun is a name which is refers only a single person, place, or things, and there is no common name for it. So in English, mostly when we are writing the proper noun, we have to use capital letter only. So first example, Melbourne. So it is referred to only one particular city. It is not a general name, so it is so that why it's called a proper noun. Next one is Stephen. So Stephen is refers to a particular person. So Stephen is not a common thing. So that's why it is representing a proper noun. Next one is Australia. There is no other city named as Australia. It is representing for one country. So it is also considered as a proper noun. Next one is common noun. A common noun is a name for something which is common for many things, place, person. It encompasses a particular type of thing and persons. Example, country. So it can refer any country. Nothing in a particular but not it is not representing a particular country. So country is a common name. And city also we can say Melbourne, Mumbai, and some kind of city. So this is also considered as a common noun. So common noun is a word that indicates a person, place, things. And the next one is abstract noun. An abstract noun is a word something that cannot be seen. So but it is it has no physical existence. Generally it is refers to a idea, qualities, and conditions. Example for that: truth, lies, happiness, sorrow, time, friendship, humor. And next one is a countable noun. The nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. So countable nouns can take an article and a and the. So mostly it will for example for the countable noun is chair, table, bat, ball, and we can say one chair, two chairs, three chairs. So we when we are counting the things, so it will consider as a countable noun. And next one is non-countable noun. So which one is not countable? So for example, water, sugar, oil. So these kind of things we could not count. So this will consider as a countable noun. And the next one is material noun. Material noun, it's a noun that refers to a metal or other substance that is made up of a metal, various metallic elements. For example, silver, gold, iron, cotton, diamond. So this kind of things considered as a material noun. And next one is collective noun. A collective noun is a word for a group of things, people, or animals. So example for this is family, team, Jerry, cattle. So family, so in the family there are group of the members, so it is considered as a collective noun. So collective noun can be both singular or plural. And the last one is compound noun. So sometimes 2 or 3 nouns appear together or even with other parts of the speech and create idiomatic compound nouns. So idiomatic means that those nouns behaves as a unit and to lesser or greater degree, so amount to more than sum of their parts. So example, 6-pack, 5-year-old, and son-in-law, snowball. So if we split the sentence, that will represent the some of the some other nouns, but it will combine, so it is called as a compound noun. Some of the mailbox, washing machine, boyfriend, dining table. So if we separate the dining and table, so table considered as a common noun. So but when it will combine, so it will call it as a compound noun. So I have added some exercise. The first sentence is the train stopped at the station. Here the train and the station word, which noun it will represent?
Common noun.
Yeah, train. So it is not specifically mentioned about any train name or anything. So it is generally mentioning the train and the station. So that's why it's called it as a common noun. And the next one is a pack of cards is kept on the table. Pack, cards, and a table.
Pack will be the collective noun.
Yeah.
And cards and table are common nouns.
Yeah. Cards and table are common noun, and pack is a collective noun. Next one is the Taj Mahal is a beautiful building.
Taj Mahal will be proper noun, building is common noun.
Yeah, Taj Mahal is representing to the building of the Taj Mahal is a proper noun, and a building it's representing to the common things. That is why it is called the common noun. And this necklace is made of gold.
Necklace, I think both are common nouns. Necklace as well.
Necklace is a common noun. Gold
material
is
noun.
Yeah, material noun. So
Okay.
the fireman could not put out the fire. Fireman and the fire.
Fireman, is it a common noun?
Yeah, common noun. Fire.
Fire, abstract.
Yeah, abstract noun. Correct. And some of the thing, it is a fire is mentioned referring as a common noun also.
Okay.
And the next one is my family is going to Lucknow.
Family is a common noun. I think Lucknow is a
Family.
collective. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, family is a collective noun. It's a group of the people. And Lucknow is a proper noun.
Right.
Yeah. Next one is the Ganga is a holy river.
Ganga,
Ganga.
proper noun.
Yeah.
River is a common noun, right?
Yeah, correct. So, yeah. And many new plants have been planted in the garden.
I think plants can be common noun and collective noun as well. I think.
Yeah, correct. Plants can, yeah, common noun and collective noun. And garden is a common noun.
Common noun, yeah.
The shepherd took his flock of the sheep to the grassland.
Shepherd, sheep are common nouns. Flock is a collective noun. Grassland, common noun.
Yeah, correct. And the crowd gathered around the injured man.
Crowd, collective noun.
Yeah.
Man, common noun.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Thanks.